When you're working with text in Illustrator, you might notice some hyphens. We can remove hyphens here in Illustrator on our text using the paragraph panel. Now, if you click on your text, in your properties panel, you'll notice a paragraph section, and if we click the three dots, it'll drop down the paragraph panel. We can also go up to Window, down to Paragraph, and for whatever reason, that's all grayed out. There we go. Down to, down to Type. Yep, down to Type, and then Paragraph, and pull open the full paragraph panel. Regardless, select your text box and uncheck Hyphenate. That will remove hyphens and not allow them in your text. So instead, there will be paragraph breaks when words are too long as they approach the end of your text box. Now we can drop down the hamburger menu or the options here and go to hyphenation. So inside of hyphenation, we do have the same checkbox here, and we can hit preview as well to see that any changes are affected out here. But the hyphenation, we can edit some of the settings. So words that are longer than 6 letters, where exactly it will hyphenate, etc. So if you want to control your hyphenation, you can actually do that here, or you can just turn it off and on. That's how you can remove hyphens here in Illustrator.